today we are coming from
the Lower Highlands in Denver, Colorado. Today we're talking about what happens if you're under contract and you need to terminate.
So how that works is really going to depend, one, on how your agent wrote the contract, and two, where you are at in the process. So say you get your home inspection back and there's just something in there that you cannot work with. Well, then you are able to terminate the contract based on inspection and receive your earnest money back. There's also other dates and deadlines that protect you as the buyer in order for you to go through the process, make sure you've done your due diligence and research, and if you ever at any point before those deadlines just find that it's not going to be good for you, you can terminate and get your earnest money back. But there are exceptions. If you're at the closing table and you decide you just don't want to buy, well, you're going to be giving up that earnest money, and you can terminate, but that means that the seller is going to make off with some money from you.
That's right. So you are locked in. There are options of you getting out depending on certain instances. Mostly you want to protect that earnest money / deposit on the home. So work with your agent like Steph to make sure you're protected.
Absolutely. Your agent will be with you every step of the way, and the Colorado contract to buy and sell, it's very buyer friendly. So just know you are protected.